All right, here I am again, and I'm testing out this strategy. Let me get hooked up to my audio here. Knew something was wrong. And Tammy Chambliss asked me to test July 5th through June 5th through July 15th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and as you can see, kind of SPX is kind of shooting up here. So we want to test different strategies and see kind of how we can break this. So I'm going to test this for 6 whole weeks and see if I can get this to come on. So I'm going to reset my amount to 100,000. So I'll go down here to July 17th. I want to buy the 30 Delta put. Let's see how this strategy works here. We'll buy this 30 Delta put, and I'm going to click this down to one contract. I'm going to hit confirm and send. And then I'm going to go to the next expiration cycle. In this case, since it is June 5th, the next expiration will be June 8th, and I'm going to sell the 3,200 put. So 3,200 in this case is trading for $17.70. I'll click this down to one contract, and we'll see what happens. Now, it looks like the buying power here is it takes about 13,000 in buying power to start with this guy. All right, well, it's now June 8th, and we're up to 101,300. So I'm going to take this and roll this to the next expiration cycle, and it's trading at 32.10, and we're going to collect a $21.05 credit. And just so looks like it's taken 14,000 in buying power now. And just to kind of give you an idea, let's see what the VIX is trading at. VIX is currently trading at 25.4. All right, it's now June 10th, and our total, we're up $2,300. So we're going to roll this to the next expiration cycle. In this case, it'll be 3,200. So we're going to collect $11.15. So let's take a look. It's 13,000 in buying power. All right, we've gone down a little bit. It's 96,955. So we're at June 12th, and I'm going to roll this to the 15th, and I'm going to sell the 3025s, and that's going to be at a 134 debit. So let's kind of take a look at kind of what the VIX, the SPX is kind of shot down here from 32.26 to 30.23. So it's down a couple hundred points. Let's see what the VIX did in that time period. Is at 41.48. So it has kind of shot up there. Right, so here we are. The total net liquidation value is at 98,395. So it's now June 15th, and I'm going to roll this again to 30.40. I collect $55.05. And I want you to notice here, there's $513 in daily theta decay. So there's June 17th. So we're going to kick this up to June 17th. Let some time pass here. I'm going to stop the share and let it catch up. All right, we're at 97,752 now. So we're just not doing great. We still got a month left. So we're going to roll this guy to 31.30. collecting 122.57. That's a healthy premium. VIX must be high. $409 a day in theta decay. So we'll crank this up to June 19th. And I won't punish you by making you wait. All right, so now our total's at 98,437. I'm going to catch this guy and roll it again to 3105. 3105. This is $86.05 credit. Okay, most of the theta has gone out of this guy, and we're almost back to even at 99,837. So once again, we're rolling this guy again. Create a rolling order. We're going to sell it this time at 31.15. 31.15. $119.55 credit, man. Cha-ching. Turns out that was a misprint. So when the $119 credit was $23.05. All right, so now we're at 99,157. So it's June 24th. So we're rolling to 30.55. 30.55, $41.70 credit. Okay, so now we're going to kick this up to June 26th. Moving right along. All right, we're back to profitable, 100,267. We're at June 26th. Only got $37 left in theta decay. So we're going to roll this guy again to 30.25, 30.25, $60.10 credit. And let's see what kind of theta we got. $193 a day in theta decay. Not bad. So it's the 26th. We'll roll our time period up. All right. Well, it is June 29th, and we got 100,784. So we're rolling this guy again. Rolling. Keep them doggies rolling. 30.45 is what we want to roll to. 30.45, and we're getting $101.17 credit. Nice. And looks like, so here we are. It's June 29th, and we need to roll this up to the 30th. There must have been a holiday in there somewhere. All right, not much change since last time. We're still up $649. Negative theta decay, but that won't last long. I'm going to roll this guy. It's June 30th, so rolling it to July 1st at 30.75. And if you're wondering how I'm getting that number, you're rolling to at the money up here at the top. $18.50 credit. So if I look at that, now I've got $455 in daily theta decay. Not much change, 100,424. We're still up $424. So we'll roll this guy to the next expiration. 31.15 is what we're going to. 31.15. And that gives us $19.40 credit. So we'll click there, and that gives us another $443 in daily theta decay. Gives us some room to be wrong. I'd rather be right. I try to be right. If you can't be right, give yourself room to be wrong. All right, well, it is July 2nd, and our total is up $839. So we're going to roll this guy again. So now it's rolling to 3145, 3145, ladies and gentlemen. And it looks like we get $17.90 for that. And looks like our theta is just 2367. So let's click go here.
If you knew what an 8-track tape looked like. But you listen to Spotify. Thanks for that. And you still have hundreds more playlists to enjoy.
All right. Well, I forgot to pause, so sorry you were waiting on that one, but it looks like we're at 101,726, so we're up 1726 now. We're going to roll this guy again to 3175. We're going to collect here $21.17. So that gives us about $190 in daily theta decay. And we're going to click this up to July 8th and let some time pass. All right, it's now July 8th, and we're ahead by $1,600. So let's crank this now, create a rolling order. We're going to roll this to 3150, 3150. Looks like I'm going to get a debit of 60 cents here. So if we look at the theta decay, it's $216. So now I'm going to click this up to July 10th. All right, we're moving now. We're up $2,800. So we're going to roll this July 10th. It's July 10th, and we're going to click roll, and we're going to roll it to 3165. 3165. Looks like we're going to get a credit of $16. $16 gives us about $44 of daily theta decay. That's not a lot. Let's see, wonder why that is. VIX is at 28.25, so it's gone way down. And so we're not getting nearly as much as we used to. So we'll go click that time period to July 13th. We're clicking now. We're up 3,700, and it is now July 13th, and we're rolling it. We got 4 more days to milk this bad boy. And we're going to July 15th, 3225, 3225. And if you're kind of wondering about kind of some analogies I have here for this kind of trade, it's almost like a depleting oil well where you're milking this baby, and 70% of the time the long put will be expire worthless. All right, looks like we got $233 in daily theta decay. Margin requirements are 15,500. I'm going to click this January 13th. I'm going to click it up to the 15th, and I'll hit pause. All right, we're moving now. It's finally nice to have a profitable time. We're up $4,300, and it's July 15th. So this is our last roll. So we're going to roll this from the 15th to the 17th, and we're going to sell the 32 stuff 32.15, I guess. So we're going to collect 2. This can't be right. Let's see here. It does look like no, it's not. We're going to collect $13.15 credit. So it's bumped up a little bit to 32.17. So let's sell the 32.20. It's kind of right on the border, so it's kind of really close. So we're going to sell it up instead of down. It's going to give this time to adjust here. I just don't think that these numbers sometimes are correct. All right, here we are at the end of our 6-week journey on this trade, and it's up almost $7,000. So there you got it. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you get a better idea of kind of how this strategy, I call it the rolling put diagonal. Join me at tradediff.com, where we're always testing out our strategies, and we hope to help other traders get better by sharing ideas and collaborating.